There lived a king called Ugrasen. He had two children, Prince Kamsa and Princess Devaki. Prince Kamsa was evil by nature. When Kamsa grew up, he imprisoned his own father and crowned himself king. Soon, his sister Devaki was married to King Vasudevan. O king, Devaki's eighth child will grow up to kill you.
What? Who are you? Ha ha ha, I will not leave.
Kamsa imprisoned Devaki and Vasudevan. Years passed. Each time Devaki gave birth to a child in the prison, Kamsan arrived and killed the infant with his own hands. Soon Devaki gave birth to her eighth child. Just then a divine voice appeared. O Vasudev, take your child to the Gokul kingdom, ruled by your friend King Nanda. Nanda and his queen Yashoda has just given birth to a daughter. Exchange your son for their daughter. Thus, Vasudev exchanged the infants. Gokul was filled with joy and laughter on little Krishna's naming ceremony.
Bye.
What happened? Look at your son, what he have done. What has he done? He has stolen all our butter. Krishna, tell me, did you steal the butter? No, Amma. Krishna studied. No, Ashoda, he's lying. Balram, come here. Tell me, my sweet dear child, did Krishna steal the butter? Yes, Amma, we are sorry. Krishna, come. Sit here. This is your punishment. Stay here for a whole day.
Naughty Krishna could not stay in one place. He tried to untie the rope but couldn't succeed. So he started dragging the stone and moving forward. Two trees lay on the way. Krishna playfully pushed down the trees. Nalakuvara and Manigriva arise.
Oh Lord Krishna, we are happy to be free by you and attain moksha. Krishna, what are you doing? Wait, I'll call Amma. Amma, look at Krishna is eating the mud. Krishna, what are you doing? Open your mouth.
As Krishna opened his mouth, Yashoda presented an overwhelming gesture. Excited, she thinks aloud. Days passed by and Krishna grew up into a young lad. He stole the hearts of all the people of Gokul. Once a huge black serpent named Kaliya came to live in the river Yamuna with his venom. Krishna decided to teach him a lesson and jumped into the river. He climbed onto Kaliya's head and started dancing. The serpent started vomiting poison.
Krishna! Don't worry, Yashoda. You hear the sound?
Kaliya begged Krishna's forgiveness and left the river Yamuna. The entire Brindavan was mesmerized and grateful to Krishna for protecting them. He had won the hearts of all the gopis. There are many such stories and miracles of Lord Krishna. Finally, Krishna met Kamsa and fought over him as predicted by the gods during his birth.
Oh, so you're the Krishna. Meet me, Chikan.